In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact seller on Facebook Marketplace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Marketplace, find the item you want, start a conversation with the seller, and keep everything clear and safe while you chat. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone or going to the Facebook website on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account. On mobile, look for the Marketplace icon that looks like a little storefront along the bottom or top menu. On desktop, you'll find Marketplace in the left-hand sidebar. Tap or click it to enter Marketplace. Once you're in, find the item you're interested in. You can scroll through the feed to browse or save time by using the search bar at the top. Type in keywords for what you want, like the brand, size, or model. If you see filters, use them to narrow by price, location, condition, or category. When something catches your eye, click the listing to open the full details page. Take a moment to skim the description, check the photos, and note the price and location so you know what to ask next. On the listing page, look for the message or send message button. Click it to start a chat with the seller. This will open a conversation in Messenger. Facebook may autofill a helpful starter line like, "Hi, is this still available?" That's perfectly fine to send as is, and it often prompts a quick response. If you want to customize your message, you can edit it before sending. Keep it polite and specific so the seller can reply with useful details. For example, you might write, "Hi, is this item still available? Can you tell me if pickup is possible today?" You can also include a quick note about your preferred time window, or ask a brief question about condition or included accessories. Avoid sharing any sensitive personal information at this point. You only need enough detail to confirm availability and logistics. When your message looks good, hit send, then watch for the seller's reply in Messenger. You'll get a notification when they respond. Continue the conversation right there to discuss the price, the pickup location, and delivery options if they offer them. If you're negotiating, be clear and respectful. Confirm the exact total, the meeting time, and the general area. For safety, keep communication inside Messenger, avoid sending deposits to someone you don't know, and plan to meet in a well-lit public place. Before heading out, ask the seller to confirm that the item is still available and ready. That's it. Open Marketplace, find the item, tap message, tailor your note if you'd like, and send. With a clear first message and a few quick confirmations, you'll be set for a smooth, straightforward marketplace purchase.